Look at this old boiler. Not even the burner, the boiler. Got a whole blast tube. I think this is a blast tube. Here's the body of the boiler. Look at this. That might be asbestos, bro. Let me know if this is asbestos. It has to be with this old boiler. Reason I was called here is because when the super went to drain the boiler down there, he said it's clogged. So I'm gonna go down there, lay on the little cardboard and try to bang it with this thing and see if I can clear it up. Alright, the boiler cut on, so I don't know if what we did made a difference. I have to open it up and see. Doesn't seem like it. Nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna keep trying. Alright, gonna keep trying until we see what happens. He said this is good. Waiting for the other one to come out. There it goes. There it goes. All right. Let's see this one. That should drop. I don't know. It could be that line. Alright. Let's figure it out. But you know what? That being open like that, that thing should be OD flowing. Let's keep banging on it and see what we can get. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I'm gonna leave it open for a little bit, let it clear out. All that brown stuff tells me that it's dirty as hell. But we'll let it clear out.